Am I zoomed in, bro? Make sure I'm focused too.
You focus, bro. You focus.
Bro, ain't nobody gonna watch this.
You recording or what?
Yeah, bro. I'm recording, man.
Welcome back, guys. All right, so we're working on my RB. I finally got a pilot bearing and my throwout bearing that I was waiting for, that I said in my last video, or the 2 videos ago, I believe. I did finally get it. Right now I'm finna pull this pilot bearing out, which I already somewhat pulled it out, so I probably got like one more hit on it and it'll come out. So
are you gonna explain how it works?
Basically, this tool has a needle, then it has these splits in here. So basically all you do is put it in the hole, screw it down, and if y'all can see, it's starting to spread. So that's all it does, literally. So always like to spread it to where it's actually touching on the crank so it don't slip off. It's about right there. It still slides in and out nice and tight. And then you get your hammer, make sure it's on there tight, my holder, and then you hit it back and it's out. This tool has worked wonders for us. It's never failed us yet. This bearing, as y'all can see, is gone. Let me show y'all what the new one looks like compared to this one.
You don't have it on here.
No, it's over here.
Come on, hurry up, man.
That's what video editing's for, bro.
Look at that butt right there.
Alright.
So you're gonna be standing over there again?
Yeah, because it's the light.
Yes.
Just make sure you ain't zoomed in.
I'm always zoomed in.
Now, look at the difference. Y'all see that? Look how much material was gone off of that. This I'm almost certain is original. This is aftermarket. It might even be for automatic transmission. Who knows? We don't know. But we're gonna put this one in. This is actually Alpha 300ZX. Same thing. I already checked transmission. It's all good. We'll put that in.
It's cheaper.
I always use a socket to put it in, so I gotta find me a socket.
It's cheaper than buying a original.
Skyline, bro, that shit. Nah, 150.
Just cause it's Skyline.
It's probably more shit. It's probably like 300.
So this is what is it recording?
That's still recording.
Alright, so this is what I do. I get a socket, and the socket fits in there perfectly, nice and snug. There's no play at all right there. So what I'll do is get this, center it up, tap it with the hammer. Alright guys, so we got the new one in. Fits almost perfect. I used that one socket, which was
Number 10.
a 10 mil on mine, 1/2 inch 10. This fit perfect to the pilot bearing hole itself. I used that as a guide to get it started. And then I got one the size of the pilot bearing, which I believe was like a 14. So this is as big as the outside diameter of the pilot bearing. And then I tapped this in and slowly just worked it, so I wouldn't crush because it is brass, it's really soft. So if you hit it really hard, it'll crush it. Once I got done,
or split open,
I made sure my 10 mil went back into the pilot hole. That way I know for sure that I didn't crush it. 10 mil slides right in there, and I can show y'all. There you go. Just like that. And I don't know what I did with the 1/2 inch to pull it back out. I put it up, I believe. But it's in there. Y'all can see I spin it. So it's nice and snug. So I didn't bend it, I didn't flex it. So now all I gotta do is put my flywheel on, put my clutch, and then the transmission. So I'll get back to y'all once we get that. Alright guys, so we back. We trying to get this transmission and engine to mate. I can watch us struggle here like a mother effer, because we struggling for sure.
Like the Asian girls.
Alright. Break! Bro, all you did was show your ass. Fuck you, bro. What you mean, fuck you? I'm just telling you, bro. Show your ass. A ver, agárrate de atrás, güey, no homo. I'm gonna grab it from here. Yeah, bro. Ya llegó el mero chingón. I already got him. Sorry.
Pues su madre. Se torció, güey. Ahora, güey, vámonos. Scratch.
Se está cagando, la estás cagando, güey. Órale, vámonos.
Come hold it, bro. Puta madre. El jack, bro.
El Jack, güey.
Y'all come hold it, man. Fuck. That shit ain't light. I promise you that.
Güey, no te estés con la light.
Che, cuate. You tripping, nigga?
That shit heavy as
Well,
fuck.
Jose did this shit. He like, fuck it, I'm just letting it go.
That's a couple of more hits, güey.
Ah, güey.
Then we just discovered.
Probably, you probably mushroomed the little
Yeah.
bag a little bit.
Mushroom a little bit? No,
That's why I'm so fucking tight.
Nah, but I didn't mushroom, man. I
extended it.
It's good though. I can feel a little tiny bit of play.
thought, let me get these bolts done. Actually, oh fuck. Who scattered them?
I know it's kind of shit.
Who scattered them?
Everybody.
Anyway.
Man, I had them bitches like, okay, these are all the ones from here. Fuck, man.
It was Jose.
What's going on, y'all? So look at this.
His bald head.
We got that tranny in. Hell yeah. You already know what time it is.